morning, sir. My name is Christopher Odoya. This is my PPT presentation to, about Laravel assessment. Laravel assessment. Um, Configuring multiple database connections. Define in config database.php. Each connection has its own settings, drivers, host, DB, and user. Um, Use DB connection name, bale yung gagawin niyo dito sir is puwede niyo siyang lagyan ng kung ano yung pangalan na gusto niyo. So, switch, dynamic, dynamically real world use. Um, MySQL for main application plus PostgreSQL for analytics. Next, using Laravel builder, fluent interface for building SQL queries in PHP. Prevents SQL injection with parameter binding. Easier to maintain than raw SQL. So, example niya sir is ito, DB table, tapos user, arrow, ayan po. Next, defining and using eloquent model. Laravel ORM or object relational mapping. Each model ito, represent a database table, provide a simple CRUD method, and practical use. User model handles authentication and profiles. So, migration in Laravel, vision, control, database, Sigma. Create with Artisan. Ito po yung gagawin yung lalagay nyo. PHP Artisan, make, migration. So, teams can share Sigma update easily. Can roll back if needed. Use case. Adding phone number column to user table. Creating and using Seeder. Populate DB with initial or test data. Store in database, Seeder. Create with PHP Artisan, make Seeder. Run using PHP Artisan DB seed. Use case, preloading e-commerce site, e-commerce site with product and categories. Bale, yun lang po sir. Tapos na po. Thank you po.